Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by logging into your WordPress admin and going straight to Plugins, right arrow Installed Plugins. Deactivate the plugin first so it stops running. This prevents data writes or errors while you remove files. Once deactivated, export or note plugin settings if you might restore them later, and confirm you have database or file backups. If you use a staging site, perform the next steps there first. Make sure you know whether the plugin added custom tables or files outside its folder. Now remove the plugin files and any persistent data it left behind. From the admin, click Delete. Alternatively, use FTP or SFTP to remove WP content/plugins/plugin folder. Next, inspect the database for plugin-specific options, post-meta or custom tables, and remove or archive them. This prevents orphaned records. Use a search replace tool to clean shortcodes or URLs the plugin added. Once done, clear caches and verify the front end, and admin for missing assets or errors before moving to production. Finish by clearing object, page, and CDN caches, and then thoroughly test the site. Forms, menus, and pages that previously used the plugin. If you encounter errors or missing functionality, check server and PHP error logs for the culprit and restore your backup if needed. If problems persist, reactivate the plugin on a staging copy to reproduce and capture the exact failure, then contact the plugin author or review migration notes. One key tip: if the admin is inaccessible, delete plugin via FTP and inspect debug logs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.